This Pulte build in Oswego starts at $562,000, 3,300 square feet, and up to 6 bedrooms. But almost nobody buys it at $562,000. Finished, this home lands in the 650s to 700s. Let me show you where the money goes and the tax number nobody prints on the sign. This is the Westchester, the biggest of the 3 Pulte estate plans here at Lincoln Crossing, off 95th and Wolf's Crossing. Base is $562,000 for 3,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 2.5 baths to start. And you can option it all the way up to 6 bedrooms. For a bigger family, this is the one. But base is the starting line, not the finish. Add your lot premium, $8,000 to $28,000 here, plus the upgrades most buyers actually want, and finished homes in this community run into the 700s. That's the number you budget around, not the sign. And here's what relocating buyers under budget most: taxes. In this area, you're looking at roughly 2.8 to 3% of the purchase price every year. On a finished Westchester around $700,000, that's about $19,500 to $22,000 a year. Call it $1,650 to $1,950 a month on top of your mortgage. Now, the good news: this community has no special service area bond, no SSA, which a lot of new subdivisions quietly carry. One less hidden tax layer here. My name is Moses, a realtor in the western Chicagoland suburbs, and the real finish number and the real tax number are the first things I run for a relocating buyer before they fall for a floor plan. Now, here's a conversation that matters a lot for relocating families. Lincoln Crossing is in Oswego District 308, and the 3 schools your kids would attend, Wolf's Crossing Elementary, Bednarkic Junior High, and Oswego East High, are all rated A- on niche. Here's the part you almost never get with new construction. The elementary and the junior high are literally across the street from this community, and Pulte's plan include a pedestrian bridge connecting the neighborhood straight to them. The high school, Oswego East, ranks number 88 in Illinois by US News with a 96% graduation rate. That one's a short drive into Oswego. The location works for a commuter. You're right off routes 59 and 34 with quick access to I-88, and you're a short drive from downtown Naperville, Aurora, and Plainfield. The Route 59 station on the BNSF Metro line is your commuter rail option into the city. And the lifestyle backs it up. You're about a mile from the 33-acre Wolf's Crossing Community Park, splash pad, pickleball, trails, sports fields, roughly 2.5 miles to the shopping and dining at Naperville Crossings, and the community has its own fiber network, which matters if you or your partner work from home. Before you sit down with the builder, here are 2 things specific to buying new construction here. The gap between base and finished. The Westchester starts at $562,000, but between your lot premium, $8,000 to $28,000, and the upgrades most buyers want, like the built-in kitchen, the sunroom, or the first floor suite, finished homes in this community run into the 650s to 750,000. It's easy to fall in love at base and end up 6 figures higher. Spec the home twice. Once at base, once at the version you actually want, and know your ceiling before you walk into the design center. 2. Representation. When you walk into the model, the on-site consultant works for the builder. My job is to represent you, and it costs you nothing. and it doesn't raise your price at all. I'll run the true all-in number, pressure test the incentive and its deadline, and I'll tell you honestly if a real sale nearby is the better play.